Yeah, man, get the.
We're filming. We are live.
Hello, it is Gabby's doctor speaking.
Good luck, guys.
So obviously,
Hit that.
very fatal injury in his right.
Here we go. The mule John.
I just don't even like Doritos.
Great tag by Caden. Gabby with the ball. That's an edit, Gabby. That's an edit. Mango!
Hello, it is Gabby's doctor speaking.
D-slide. D-slide. Pop the selling.
Has suffered a very fatal injury in his right.
Dad. Put in the top, boys. Watch my post. It's not like they're gonna score. Like they didn't score. Good James. Go
Hello, it
Marcus.
is
Go on
Gabby's doctor
camera.
speaking right now.
Please do something
So
dumb.
obviously,
Gabby! Gabby, what is it?
has suffered a very fatal injury in his right.
Give me a hat. I'm filming.
Hello, it is Gabby's doctor speaking right now. So obviously,
Good Connor.
has suffered a very
Good Cade.
fatal injury in his right.
Ah, what is going on? Marcus.
Hello, it is Gabby's doctor speaking right
That's all good. Man on. Good shit, man.
has suffered a very fatal injury in his right.
Good, Jimmy. Man on. Great ball. Jimmy, just play back. Jimmy, you gotta release that. That's great
Hello,
D,
it is
Harry.
Gabby's doctor
Go on, Zach.
speaking right now. So obviously,
Yeah, Gabby.
suffered a very fatal injury in his right. Pretty much.
Good Connor.
Hello, it is Gabby's doctor speaking right now. So obviously, has suffered a
Go roll.
very
Good
fatal
time.
injury in his right.
Oh, lovely roll.
Pretty much. Hello, it is Gabby's doctor.
The worst
speaking right
football
now.
ever.
So obviously, has suffered a very fatal injury in his right. Pretty much.
Jimmy,
Hello, it
do
is Gabby's
something,
doctor
bro. Do
speaking
something.
right now. So obviously,
Touch. Good save.
has suffered a very fatal injury in his right. Pretty much.
Yes, sir. Good day. Well, Zach, follow it up, son.
doctor speaking right now. Right now. So obviously,
Good Connor.
has suffered a very fatal injury in his right. Pretty much happy.
Oh yeah, Mango. Oh yeah, Ganesh. Oh yes, Jay. Oh yes, Jimmy. Oh, that was scary. What a tackle!
Doctor speaking right now.
Tackle!
Right now.
Oh, lovely Kane. Lovely Kane.
Has suffered a very fatal injury in his right. Pretty much happy.
Condescend it! Bro, man on!
Hello, it is Gabby's doctor speaking right now. Right now. So obviously, has suffered a very fatal injury in his right. Pretty much happy.
Great load.
Hello, it is Gabby's doctor speaking right now. Right now. So obviously,
Let's go. Mango, you want man of the match?
has suffered a very fatal injury.
I feel amazing. I'm like really good at football, so you know.
This is going all on the Super Singer C Instagram.